Gates open, they're up and racing. Bombardier draws for their lead. Mr. Islander moving up in between runners. Sheila Princess running by the rail. Seniority comes next. Then followed by entry number 4, Ravishing Rafi. Santiago running alongside, and the favorite, yes sir, I'm yours, is the early trailer as they head towards the last 600. Mr. Islander just in front. Seniority sneaking in down on the inside. Santiago, then comes Bombardier. And yes, sir, I'm yours. Pass approaching on the outside as they head towards the last 450. Seniority this time by about a length and a half. Mr. Islander is in second. Yes, sir, I'm yours. Sorry, outside. Bombardier is running by the rail foot with the last 200 meters more to run. Seniority this time by about 2 lengths. Moving up to take second by the rail. Bombardier, and on the outside is yes, sir, I'm yours. We have Seniority. Yes, sir, I'm yours. Sorry, outside. And leading the finish line, it's going to be yes, sir, I'm yours. Seniority, Bombardier, Mr. Islander. Then comes Ravishing Rafi, Sheila Princess, and Santiago comes in last.